I still have not purchased my first 3D printer. I'm still waiting to see exactly what I would like to use a 3D printer for to make sure that I purchase one that I can use for a long time. Just 20 years ago, that statement would have made no sense for several reasons. The 3D printer was invented in the mid to late 1980s. So for me to be saying this 20 years ago, I would have had to be very rich and to know people in the right places. Today, I can go on Amazon and choose which of several 3D printers I want to purchase. This means that 3D printers are being used commercially by everyone, especially in manufacturing and space travel. The 3D Printing ETF, PRNT, seeks to provide investment results that closely correspond, before fees and expenses, to the performance of the Total 3D Printing Index, which is designed to track the price movements of stocks of companies involved in the 3D printing industry. The 3D Printing ETF, ticker symbol PRNT, was created in 2016. Why invest in PRNT? ARK believes 3D printing is one of the highest growth potential industries in the economy and is set to transform the manufacturing landscape.
From the kitchen, this looks like any model home anywhere in America. But this is the real selling point, the raw interior of a 3D printed home. Feels kind of like corduroy, only solid concrete. It's definitely a new look, but it's something we'd all better get used to because we're about to see a whole lot more of it.
It may look like toothpaste, but this 3D printing technology is spitting out a 1,900 square foot house. The concrete foundation, interior and exterior walls, and utility conduits. This is the final product.
We're trying to build houses in half the time for half the price.
The Total 3D Printing Index is composed of equity securities and depositary receipts of exchange-listed companies from the U.S., non-U.S. developed markets, and Taiwan that are engaged in 3D printing-related businesses within the following business lines: 3D printing hardware, computer-aided design, CAD, 3D printing simulation software, 3D printing centers, scanning and measurement, and 3D printing materials.
ARK Invest believes innovation is the key to growth. Let's take a look at 3D printing, a technology that we believe will revolutionize traditional manufacturing. While other firms have taken a more cautious approach using historical growth trends, ARK and McKinsey chose to use a top-down approach when sizing the market. At the very high end of estimates, McKinsey projects up to a $490 billion market by 2025. What makes this technology so revolutionary? 3D printing, or more broadly, additive manufacturing, is the process of building objects layer by layer instead of using a mold or removing material from a larger block. This allows for radically new part architectures, decreased costs, reduced weight, and shorter time to production. Ultimately, 3D printing makes manufacturing a much more agile process. GE, one of the leading providers of jet engines, uses 3D printing to make fuel nozzles. Originally, 19 separate parts made up a fuel nozzle. With 3D printing, the nozzle is one part, it's 25% lighter, and 5 times more durable. Because of its benefits, GE plans to invest $3 billion in additive manufacturing over the next 5 years and expects the technology to touch over half of its supply chain in the next 10 years. Nike and Adidas use automated knitting technology, which is a form of additive manufacturing, to transform footwear design and production. The result? Labor costs are reduced by 50%, material wastes are lowered up to 20%, and it creates better performing shoes.
PRNT's net assets equals $557 million, and its weighted average market cap is $102 billion. PRNT's top 10 holdings are 7% 3D Systems Corp, 5.77% X1, 5.51% Straumann Holding, 4.92% Altair Engineering Inc., 4.84% SLM Solutions Group, 4.68% Desktop Metal Inc., 4.55% HP Inc., 4.47% Dassault Systems, 4.42% MGI Digital Graphic Technology, and 4.32% Microsoft Corp. Each of these companies' business activities relates to the 3D printing industry. Think about getting yourself a piece of the future and seriously consider investing in these disruptive technologies. ARK Invest appears to really know what they are doing if the past is any indicator. We have more ARK Invest ETF videos to come, so please make sure to like this video and subscribe today. This channel is not here to give financial advice. We are just here to open your eyes to any and all opportunities around you. Take care. If you're still here, thanks for making it this far in the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.